Hey guys, welcome back to Lighthaven Farm's YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to give you an update on the barn's progress. You can see here that we're doing some painting, and this is in anticipation of putting the roof on before the snow starts to fly. We're going with the classic look, the Bob Evans typical red barn and white fascia and trim. We have two coats going on. Now, this is the old barn, and then the expansion that we've put on here is 35-ish feet long, and it's about 25 feet wide. We have a little pass-through there that we're going to put hopefully a tractor or something in there, and it'll be graveled so there won't be grass to cut underneath that eave. You can see there's kind of a thicker board there at the bottom. It's going to have metal so that we don't have to deal with the wood rotting out, and then we'll have your typical T111 red trim from the metal going up underneath the eaves. So all of this work was done by myself. I did have some help along the way occasionally setting the posts in the ground. My neighbor came over with his tractor and the hole digger and took care of that in a matter of an hour, which was a godsend. That would have been horrible to do by hand. So here's our time lapse of me zipping through painting all the nooks and crannies of the overhang. I wish in reality would go this fast, but it wasn't, and it didn't, and it was definitely hot that day, so it made it even worse. But we got the work done. We got two coats on that portion, and we're working on the top parts of the fascia and soffit overhang to get that second coat on so that we can start the roof decking. Now that wood prices have come down considerably, we are able to buy OSB at 1/2-inch 4x8 sheets for $16 versus nearly $50. You can see it's coming along, and it's going to be quite dramatic when we get the roof on to it. We're going with a shingle roof and probably a textured or architectural shingle so we have some dimensional look to it. So that's our barn. Look for future videos. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share our videos if you like them. And if you have any comments, questions, maybe you have done a similar expansion on a barn and you have some tips for us to make it easier along the way, please let us know in the comments section. We really appreciate your feedback. Thanks again from Lighthaven Farm.